Hello everybody! In this video we will show you two new re-releases of the Mack and Wally Hauler. Both are right now available only at Walmart for around $13. First we have Mack. Mack has, like usual for these hauler sets, a die-cast body and a plastic trailer. The back of the trailer pulls out and the ramp folds down. He is basically the same like prior releases, just some of his decorations got changed to suit the Cars 2 theme. Next comes the Wally Hauler. Like Mack, he has a die-cast semi and a plastic trailer. Both sides of the trailer open and he comes already with some Rusty's freight inside. On this trailer, you can pull the interior sideways out and then fold down the little ramp. Both haulers are in the 1:55 scale from Mattel and are around 9 inches long, a bit over 2 inches wide, and 2.5 inches tall. Bye bye, and thank you for watching.